If you want Firefox to automatically delete your search history, cookies, and cache when you close the browser, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps so you can set it up in just a minute or two. This is a great privacy feature if you use a shared computer, want to reduce tracking, or simply prefer Firefox to clean up after itself every time you close it. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Firefox on your computer. In the top right corner, click the menu button with the three horizontal lines. From the menu, select Settings. Once the Settings page opens, look at the left panel and click Privacy and Security. This is where Firefox keeps all of its privacy controls, including history and cookie settings. Now scroll down until you find the History section. Here, you'll see a drop-down menu next to the option that says Firefox will. Choose Use Custom Settings for History. This is an important step because it unlocks the automatic cleanup options we need. After selecting custom settings, look for the checkbox that says Clear History when Firefox closes. Go ahead and check that box. Once you enable it, a settings button will appear right next to it. Click Settings to choose exactly what Firefox should erase every time you close the browser. A new window will open with a list of data types. Here, check the boxes for the items you want to remove automatically. For most people, that includes browsing and download history, cookies, and cache. You can select additional items too, depending on how much data you want cleared on exit. If you want Firefox to stay more private, you can choose more options. If you want to keep certain data saved for convenience, just leave those boxes unchecked. After choosing the items you want, click Save Changes or OK, depending on the version of Firefox you're using, and that's it. Firefox will now automatically clear the selected history, cookies, and cache every time you close the browser. This is a simple but powerful way to protect your privacy and keep your browser cleaned up without having to do it manually. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.